Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious omelet at home, perfect for beginners. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 or 3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of butter, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Also, have your favorite fillings ready, like cheese, herbs, or diced vegetables. Make sure you have an 8-inch non-stick pan for the best cooking experience. Now that we have our ingredients, let's prepare the eggs. Crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a small bowl. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to enhance the flavor. Then, whisk the eggs vigorously with a fork for about 30 seconds. You want them to be slightly frothy, but be careful not to over-whisk, as this can make your omelet tough and less enjoyable. With your eggs whisked, it's time to cook. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in your 8-inch non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Once the butter is foamy, pour in the whisked eggs. Let them set for about 30 seconds. As the edges cook, gently push them towards the center with a spatula, tilting the pan to allow any uncooked egg to flow underneath. This creates a soft, fluffy texture. Almost done. When the top of your omelet is mostly set but still a little wet, add your desired fillings, like cheese or herbs, to 1/2. Cook for another 30 seconds to 1 minute, just enough time for the fillings to warm through. Finally, gently fold the omelet in half using your spatula and carefully slide it onto a plate. Enjoy your perfectly homemade omelet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.